My name's Amy from Anchor Cars, and today I'm going to be taking you through this vehicle. If you do have any questions following on from the video, please don't hesitate to give us a call on the number shown above, and our salesman will be more than happy to go through those with you. Today we have the 2021 Volkswagen Golf. This vehicle has done just over 54,000 miles. It has a manual transmission and a petrol fuel type. On the steering wheel we have features such as cruise control and voice control. We also have automatic headlights and a keyless ignition. On the touchscreen we have quick access to key features such as navigation, our vehicle status, smartphone integration and App Connect, which includes Apple and Android CarPlay and MirrorLink. If we put the vehicle into reverse, we can see that it comes with parking sensors. And just below the screen we have our climate control. Thank you for watching the video. Our opening hours are Monday to Friday 9 till 6, Saturday 9 till 5 and Sunday 10 till 4. I'll also be displaying our contact details on the screen for you now.